Today's news headline is the United States announces nearly 200 million US dollar humanitarian assistance for the Rohingya refugee crisis. Details of the news. The United States has announced nearly 200 million US dollar in new financial aid for Rohingya refugees and the local communities hosting them in Bangladesh. This announcement was made by U.S. Undersecretary for Civilian Security, Democracy and Human Rights Uzra Zeya during an event at the United Nations General Assembly. The new aid package includes 129 million US dollar from the US Agency for International Development USAID and 7 million US dollar from the US State Department. With this latest funding, US assistance to the Rohingya has exceeded 250 million US dollars since 2017. Over 210 million US dollar specifically allocated for Bangladesh. The new funding will support various initiatives including 70 million US dollar from the State Department's Office of Population, Refugees and Immigration. Of the 129 million US dollar from USAID, 7.8 million US dollar will come from the Agriculture Credit Agency, which would help distribute food sourced from US farmers to both Rohingya refugees and local communities of Bangladesh. According to the State Department, this financial assistance aims to provide life-saving support, protection, and the food security for the Rohingya fleeing violence and persecution from Myanmar. It will also enhance disaster preparedness, support educational and skills training opportunities, and help facilitate the Rohingyas' potential return to their home country if conditions approve. This aid comes in the aftermath of the 2017 Rohingya genocide, during which Myanmar government and Rakhine Buddhist community conducted a brutal genocide against the Rohingya population. This violence resulted in mass killings, widespread arson, and sexual violence, forcing over 1,200,000 Rohingya to flee to Bangladesh. The United Nations has condemned this act as genocide, underscoring the critical need for ongoing humanitarian assistance and protection for the displaced. Since August 2017, the US has aided a total of 2.5 billion US dollar to the Rohingya response in the region. This comprehensive aid strategy seeks to elevate the challenges faced by the Rohingya refugees and strengthen the resilience of the communities that shelter them. The US government continues to emphasize the importance of addressing the humanitarian needs of the Rohingya while promoting their long-term stability and security.